So I wanted to say thank you very much for coming down in person. It's been great talking to you over the last sort of 5 or 6 months. For those who don't know, this is Steve from Teltonika. You've got Steve squared today. And although we did do a quick demonstration with Mantis a little while ago, I thought it'd be great to let you talk us through or walk us around RMS a little bit and just showcase some of those key features that Teltonika has that one of the reasons why Connectivity Warehouse stands behind the Teltonika product, and that flexibility, that interoperability that you guys have and are so proud of.
Absolutely. And that is one of the things that I really like about the system that Teltonika is doing well in this space, where many other vendors have this segmented approach to networks, and you've got a piece of Cisco gear here, a piece of Aruba there. Usually systems don't talk to each other really well, or if you do have an IT team, they have to learn and support these multiple platforms. Where Teltonika is taking a bit of a different approach, is in an open ecosystem. So with our remote management system and software and a single Teltonika device, you can see into a network and it can map all that's in there. You can also get a good view for third-party devices that are on it. So if you're an IT engineer who has spent any more than 30 minutes trying to go through a switch to an access point to find an IP thermostat, you probably know the headache and frustration that I'm talking about. Where with this, not only can you map the network, but you can see into third-party devices. You can disconnect from Wi-Fi. You can reconnect to the network. You have full visibility, independent of if you're a Cisco shop. Great, stay a Cisco shop, but use RMS so that you can see the other devices that are on the network as well.